Before this, we discuss about the laser, ultrasound, fiber optics, and then now we discuss the principle of modern physics in the medical physics. In 1895, William Röntgen discovered the X-ray by use of heating the anode, which produced the electron beam towards the cathode. It hits the tungsten material or heavy material which produce the X-ray, and this X-ray is transmit and pass through the body, they absorb by the bone. So photographic plate is see this bony structure abnormality. Sir J.J. Thomson in 1897 discovered the electron. This electron is now be used in a electron microscopy. Henry Becquerel from 1952 to 1908, 1852 to 1908 discovered the natural radioactivity. The radioactive substance emits alpha, beta, and gamma rays. When inside the magnetic field, these are the separate these waves, and these alpha and beta and gamma are now used in a radiotherapy in a cancer patients. Now medical physics, we use cyclotron, in which neutron is used. High energy neutron is produced by this cyclotron. James Chadwick discovered the neutron. Then Anderson, which discovered in 1932 the positron, which is antiparticle of electron. When this lead of layer inserted in the cloud chamber, the fast positive particle become slow down and produce the positron. So medical imaging techniques, we use the X-ray in the radiology department. 1895, there is X-ray in form of energy. The physical property of this X-ray is absorption in the by the bony tissue to determine the see the bony image in the photographic plate. Ecography, we use the ultrasound imaging. In 1950, we use ultrasound energy, which worked on physical property of reflection and transmission. It used to study the soft tissue image. Nuclear medicine used the radioisotope imaging in the 1950, which used gamma rays in radiation emission, which used in cancer chemotherapy, radiotherapy. The CT scan, which used the X-ray. In 1971, physical property is absorption. These are the CT scan image to study the morphology inside the body. Then MRI. In 1980, the energy used is a radio wave, magnetic resonance magnetic resonance used to study the morphology and functioning of the body. Positron emission tomography or PET scan in 1973 used the gamma rays with the physical property of radiation emission used to study the function of the functioning organ study by use of PET. First we discuss the X-ray. Uses of X-ray to identify the bone fracture, to identify the tooth decay, identify the tumor and disease in soft tissue, and treatment of the tumor by the radiotherapy. X-ray are the photon of electromagnetic radiation produced when a target of heavy metal is struck by the electron traveling with a high speed. Approximately 1% of electron produce X-ray photon. The rest lost by the heating up the target. This is generation of the X-ray in which rotating anode tube produce the electron beam which is evacuated in a glass tube and lead surrounded by this hit a cathode, heavy cathode, which produce the X-ray. Only 1% of X-ray. Rather, the another energy is used to heating up this heavy object. Hot filament vials of electron, which is accelerated by anode voltage. It hits the target. Most are released as a heat, but few become X-ray, 1%. To prevent the melting, target spin on a motor at a 3000 rpm. Now production of X-ray, decrease velocity of electron or remove an inner electron. Electron replace the inner electron and photon are emitted as a electron undergo transition from different energy levels. Controlling of X-ray cannot be focus a sharp image are produced by small source or point source. When X-ray is hit the body, they pass through the soft tissue and absorbed by the bone. When X-ray absorbed by the bone, they in the photographic plate they cause chemical changes. There it is a AgCl plate which is now break into the ion silver and chloride ion which is solved by the sodium hypochlorite and they show as a darkened area when plate is developed. Absorption of X-ray occur when X-ray pass through the material due to energy loss by scattering. X-ray photon are radiated as a low energy photon. Ejection of X-ray is ejected by the photoelectric effect. Photon of visual light are emitted as a atom come out from the excited state. There is principle of Crompton scattering. Electron and low energy X-ray photon are emitted. There is a pair production. When very high energy of photon interact with the atom, electron and positron emerge, cause losing of energy by ionization until the positron is annihilated by an electron, which generates two identical photons. So in X-ray, maximum energy all the electron energy is converted into the photon energy. Dangers of X-ray. When water is ionized to produce free radical, which is produce hydrogen peroxide. X-ray cause damage of enzyme and DNA. So it can produce change in the genetic material also. X-ray can damage the cells. It damages the cell division by the mutation. It can damage the tissue and organ. So by very high use of X-ray can decrease the life expectancy because it produces mutation which cause the alteration in a gene of a population. Attenuation of X-ray by the inverse square law, in which intensity reduced with the distance. Now we study about the computed tomography, that is CT scan, in which we use the X-ray energy. A plain film image reduce the 3D patient anatomy to 2D projection image. Density at a given point on an image represent the X-ray attenuation property within the patient along a line between X-ray focal spot and point on the detector corresponding to the point on the image. So CT scan are take X-ray imaging principle to C stand for the computed, T stand for the tomography, which forms this is X-ray tube and this is a body and this is a X-ray detector. When this tube around the body is rotate, so X-ray are produced in a X-ray tube, pass through the patient and detected by the detector. There is a scanner rotate the X-ray tube and detector, so patient scan from all the angle. When this rotated around the body, they forms the spiral X-ray or CT scan, which finally use of computer or complicated mathematics to build up the image of our body. This is CT scan machine in which there is X-ray emitter and there is a X-ray detector. So this coil is spinning around the body, which can use to see the 3D anatomy of the body by the use of CT scan. A conventional X-ray image is basically a shadow. You can shine a light on one side of the body and a piece of film on the another side. Register the silhouette of the bone. An organ or tissue of different density show up the differentially on the radiographic film. Because in CT scan there is a various type of Hausen field unit in which bone are seen white and water is seen as a black. The basic idea of computer added tomography or CT scan, the X-ray beam is moved all around the body of patient, scanning the hundred of different angle. The computer like to take X-ray all this information and put together to form the 3D image of the body. Now another device is a MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging. This MRI is a medical imaging technique that record the change in the magnetic field, in which we use the gyrometric property of the hydrogen. Because hydrogen is present in our body in the form of water or carbohydrate, they all have a hydrogen. When this hydrogen is spinning in a one direction due to high magnetic field, they use to produce the MRI scan. It also called as nuclear magnetic resonance (NMR), which can give different kind of image based on the pulse sequence, which capable of complete body scan but commonly used for the brain and soft tissue reading. CT are used to read the bony abnormality, but MRI are used to see the abnormality of soft tissue. In our science study, we have show you that our body is made up of living cell, which is made up of molecules, and these molecules are made up of atom. So electrons are continuously moving around the atom. So the simplest atom is a hydrogen, which is a proton, and this electron is a moving around this is its nucleus contain just a one proton, and one electron is moving around this proton in hydrogen atom. In 1914, physicists discovered that nuclei of some atom have a property called as spin, like a bobbing spring top, which is caused by the magnetic act as a magnet. The patient is placed on a bed and then moved into the large hollow tube using a in MRI scanner. When body is placed inside this magnetic field, these are the strong magnet. When body is placed inside this MRI chamber or scanner, this tube contain very powerful magnet which moving around the body and cause the rotation of electron in a one direction. Most MRI scanners can use superconducting coil magnets. An electronic current pass through the massive coil made up of special superconductive material, which create a very strong magnetic field, which is 20,000 times stronger than Earth magnetic field. This seems like a really easy way to create a strong magnetic field, but these superconducting coil material only work correctly when they are really cold, not just like a freezer, but it is minus 269 degrees centigrade, which is cold as a Pluto. With the patient safety check complete, the scan can begin when the part of body is scanned is placed inside the center of primary magnet. The magnetic field produced very steady and strong. This field causes hydrogen nuclei of patient lined up in a particular direction inside the magnetic field. Three further coils are embedded into the tube gradients magnet. These are used to fine-tune the magnetic field so particular body part and tissue type can be focused on The patient will know when there is magnet are switched on, they can make a loud sound. More coil provide a pulse of radio wave that cause nuclear magnet to flip. The machine wait and record any radio signal that are then emitted by the patient body. MRI stimulates a signal from object using magnetic field and radio frequency pulse. MRI reads data using magnetic gradient and place it into the K space, that is frequency domain. Frequency domain is transmitted into the spatial domain, give an image. MRI machine have a three part which have RF coils, gradient coils and magnet. These pictures showing the MRI scan in which body lungs are there. This is a heart tissue, this is a liver, this is a spleen, this is a humerus bone, and this is a sagittal section, and this is a this is a coronal section, and this is a sagittal section of the body in which we can see the spine, vertebral spine.